Kane is in the building.
Let's go! Now thank me everybody. Thank you everybody that supported me. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Man, fuck it, all these haters, then they taught me, son, you never gonna make it to the top. But guess what though, I'm there though. But you went at the bottom, cause I underground king. But I'm an underground nigga, I'm an underground king though. But even though all these girls are down the road, plus at the strip club, no, I hit the mall too. I hit the mall, then I cash out on these ugly dudes. I say, but there you go too. Man, but give it out to my brother, he was always there. He say, bro, put your mind to it whenever you gonna hear it. So my mind's so my mind's so lost. I'm lost, I'm twisted cause I'm lost. Get me God lifted. Thank you everybody. Thank you everybody that supported me. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Alright. Now thank me everybody. Thank you everybody that supported me. Thank you. Okay. Love is a passion, cause you niggas always said my music wasn't gonna last. Cause I'm always in the passion. I am so drunk, all this liquor got me toasted. Me and them my goons, and we try it all stretch. But yeah, you know my name is always blunt though. But yeah, you need to hear it cause my shit always loud. My music loud, my music in the club. R.I.P. my brother, man, I'll be there in a minute. So you better stop playing with me, son, cause I'm gonna be the good king, the good rapper, gonna make it all-star. Shout out to Bird, he was always there, nobody wasn't. He said, son, be your own fucking thing, let's go! Thank you everybody, thank you everybody that supported me. Thank you. Thank you. Now thank me everybody. Thank you everybody that supported me. Thank you. Okay. I made it on my own when nobody wasn't there. I'm always gone, man, cause I'm still wasn't there. I wanna shout out to everybody who said, son, if you want to be that go ahead, do your thing, cool. You too cool for this music industry. I need to get it up, man, and I ain't into me. I play ball, I ball like a ball team. And you niggas need to know, I'm all free. But thank me everybody, thank you everybody that supported me. Thank you. Thank you. But alright, but thank you everybody. Thank you everybody that supported me. Thank you. Thank you out there. Shout out to everybody that taught me, son, if you're gonna do this, go ahead and do that. Shout out people that said, don't let anybody ruin you, tell you that you can't do that. But you can though. If you dream it, you can become it. If you become it, it's all you. Can't let nobody tell you what to do. Team Jerk, baby.